Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon Pixma MG7751. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using the touchscreen you can see here. Now if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, the house icon over here will be lit. Just press that to be taken here. Now although my printer is currently set into English, there are a few visual clues on screen which will allow you to change your printer from whatever language it's in currently to whichever you desire. So, we start by swiping this to the right, and we're looking for setup, which is shown by a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. We press into that. And then we need to go down into device settings, which is the second option you can see here with the little sliders shown in the icon. So we press into that. Now language selection is the fifth option down, and it's kind of half covered by that gradient there, but you can click into it regardless. And it takes you to the language selection screen. Now as I say, mine is set to English, but it's the second to top option on the screen. So if you're further down the list, all you need to do is swipe down till you get to it. You can see the second option down, click in, and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.